Man, this has been cool, Dan. Thanks for showing me your workplace when you're not working.
I'm glad we had the time.
You see these big trucks and you wonder, do fires really happen?
Well, they do. You can turn on the news. There's fires every day. But I think when people see fires, they think it's not going to happen to us.
Yeah, I know. It just doesn't happen everywhere.
Right. You know what? Why don't I introduce you to some friends I just met to tell us a little bit more, because fire really did affect them.
Are they here?
They're going to be here soon.
Well, let's go find them.
All right. Arnold, I'd like you to meet two friends I've just met here, and it's Brittany and Josh.
How are you doing today?
Good, thank you.
Good to meet you. Why are they here?
Well, they're here because they have a story to share, an experience.
Oh, really?
They have a family.
Oh, no kidding. Do you have kids?
Yes, we do.
How many kids?
9 kids.
For real?
9
Oh.
humans.
These people must be crazy. I'm just kidding.
So the reason they're here is not a joke. They had a serious situation. You folks had a fire in your home. Is that correct?
Yes.
On 4th of what? 4th of July, right? Fireworks related.
Fireworks related. They were sharing with us, but everybody made it out safe, right? That's a big deal. That's the big deal, really.
Yes.
So there were no injuries.
No injuries at all.
But I gotta wonder, if you lost a whole bunch, how did that feel like emotionally? Did that mess the family up? It would me.
Yeah, that would be a tough thing to go through. How do you guys handle that?
Just sitting there watching it and you feel like, oh my gosh, that's all the stuff that we worked hard for, and how you're gonna come back from that. The emotions were very overwhelming.
But insurance-wise, were you covered? Was it enough? How did that work out for you?
So we were covered. Unfortunately, it wasn't enough. There were so many things that were lost that need to be replaced, and we just didn't have the coverage to cover everything.
So what would you recommend to people that are looking for insurance, shopping for insurance, or should they even get it or not?
Well, I'd say get it.
Yeah, well, let's see what their opinion is.
So I would 100% say get it. It's better to have it than to not. There's so much stuff that you don't take into consideration. When you have a fire or anything like that happens, you lose a lot. So you want to make sure that you're covered. So I would tell anybody, get insurance for sure.
Well, thank you for sharing your experience, and we appreciate that.
Well, that they're willing to share their experience with others.
You're right, so it doesn't happen to anyone else.
Thank you guys for being here.
Thank
you.
And nice meeting you.
You too.
Especially you, Brittany.
She's married.
Doggone it. Wow, that really hit home talking to them two.
Yeah, it did. Just brings that to light how important insurance is. If you have homeowners insurance,
Is it enough?
that's right. That's the big question. Is it enough to cover everything that you need?
Yeah. And what about if you're a renter?
Well, a renter policy as well. Is there enough to cover it? Some people don't even bother because they think they don't need it because they're renting an apartment or a house.
So what do you do? I mean, is it expensive?
Well, it's not that expensive. That's what people don't realize. For the cost of a Happy Meal once a day, you can afford renter's insurance.
You mean I gotta give up my Happy Meal? I'd be pretty angry then. I would lose weight.
You would lose weight, but I'm saying it's worth the money. Just like Josh said, it's very important.
Well, I learned a little bit more than about the fire trucks today. That's good to know.
Well, I'm glad you stopped by.
Me too, dude. Thanks for having me.
All right, Arnold.